Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss lesson number 7, that is animals and adaptations. So first of all, let's start with the topic habitat. So what is habitat? Habitat is the natural surrounding in which an organism it lives most of the time. So the place where the organism it lives most of the time, that is called its habitats. Now there are different type of habitats which are present on the earth, and these are the polar regions, mountains, forest, desert, and then we have oceans and fresh water. Now we are going to start about this study about these different type of habitats in detail. So the first type of habitat is the polar region and mountains. So polar regions and mountains, they are the areas of the earth which are mostly covered with snow. They are covered with snow and they are the coldest places on the earth. Now the animals which live in this place, they have adapted themselves according to the environment in which they live. So the different kind of animals which live in the polar regions and mountains, they are the polar bears, penguin, seal, walrus, etc. So these animals like polar bear, they have thick fur, so it keeps them warm. Then polar bears and penguins, they also have a layer of fat under their skin, and that layer of fat which is present under their skin, that is called blubber. Now what is the function of the blubber? The blubber, it provides energy to these animals and keep them warm. The next type of habitat is the forest. So forest, it is a habitat in which a large number of plants and trees are present. So a large number of plants and trees are present, and the animals which live in the forest, they mostly live in trees, they live in caves, or they live on the forest floor, and even some of the animals, they live under the ground. Now these animals, they have well developed limbs. Their limbs, they are very powerful, they are very well developed, and they help them to jump from one place to another, to walk here and there, and also to catch their prey. The next type of habitat is the desert. Now desert is a place which is covered with a vast stretches of sand. A place which is covered with the vast stretches of sand, that is called desert. And we all know deserts, they receive very little rainfall. They just get about less than 10 inches of rainfall every year. So they get very little rainfall, and the animals which live in deserts, they are camel, kangaroo, rat, etc. Now again, these animals, they have adapted themselves according to the conditions which are present in the environment in which they live. Like camels, they have flat hooves. Now these flat hooves, they help them to walk on the loose sand without their feet sinking into it. And then camels, they have double eyelids also. These double eyelids, it prevents the sand from entering their eyes. And camels, then they have long legs. Now long legs, they help them they prevent the heat coming from the hot sand. It prevents the heat to come to their body. And then camels, they are capable of drinking 120 liters of water at once. So they can live without water for many days. So they have adapted themselves according to the situation in which they live. Now the next type of habitat is the ocean. Ocean, it is the world's largest habitat. So animals which live there, they have also adapted themselves according to the conditions which are present there. Now water, it has a high amount of salt, so they are called marine animals. The animals which live in the oceans, they are called marine animals. Now the next is the fresh water. Next habitat is the fresh water. Like we have ponds, lakes, streams, and rivers. Now the animals, different kind of animals which live in the fresh water, they are the frogs, fish, ducks, and swans. Again, these animals, they have adapted themselves according to the conditions. Like frogs, they have webbed feet. So webbed feet, they help them to swim easily in the water. Then fish, their body is streamlined and they have fins, and fins, they help them to swim in the water. And then these ducks and swans, again they have webbed feet, and this webbed feet, they help them to swim in the water easily. And then we have cranes also, and cranes, they also have webbed feet, but their feet are also flat. So these help them to walk on the wet sand, so they can walk very comfortably on the wet sand. Now our next topic is adaptation. So what is adaptation? Adaptation is the features and habits that an organism develops to survive in their habitats. So that are called adaptations. The various features and habits that the organism develops to survive in its habitat, that is called its adaptation. Now different kind of adaptations are there. Some animals, they have body covering, they have fur or scales on their body, they have different type of locomotory organs. So different kind of adaptations are there. So starting with the first kind of adaptation, that is their body covering. Now animals, they have different type of body covering. Some are having fur or wool on their body. Some animals or birds, they have feathers on their body. Some have scales, and some have shell on their body. Now we are going to study about these body coverings in detail. So starting with the first type of body covering, that is the scales. Now scales, they are mostly present in reptiles like snakes, crocodiles, lizards, like they are present in that. So the scales, they protect the bodies, they protect the body of the organism, and also they help to retain water. So scales, they are mostly present in reptiles and fish also. Fish, they also have scales on their body. Now the next type of body covering is the shell. Now shell, what is shell? It is the hard structure that all the animals and insects, some of the animals and insects have, which protect them from injury, and they also protect the animal from being eaten by other animal. Now some animals, they have fur or wool on their body, like bear, yak, sheep. So these wool, it helps them to keep them warm. The fur or wool on their body, it keeps them warm. Now next is the feathers. So feathers, they are mostly present in birds. They help them to fly, and two type of feathers are there, down feathers and flight feathers. So down feathers are mostly present on the very near to the skin, and it keeps their body warm. And the next, flight feathers, they help them to fly in the air. So these are the different kind of body coverings which are present in the animals. So that is all. The next topic we will study in the next class. Thank you.